My name's Nick. I've been with Atlas for about a year and a half here. I work at the mill, doing the day-to-day operations for the last year and a half now. Got a lot of redwood logs coming in. Get them all cut up and processed and ready to go through the mill. We've got a lot of big projects coming up with our landscape department, a lot of big fencing projects and arbor projects and trellis projects coming up, which is super exciting. So we're diving into something new with all of our wood processing here. Pretty exciting stuff. So we get most of our lumber off of residential and commercial properties. We'll get a lot of fire burnt trees here in California. So these trees will either start to die out a little bit or they fall, they'll be burnt. We'll have some of our crews go out there and either cut the trees down or take the trees off the property. We'll bring them back here to our yard out on Highway 12 and we'll put them out into our big wood pile out in the back. We'll separate everything and process it all. We'll bring all our redwood over here. We'll cut it to size to the dimensions of our lumber. Once we get it all cut to length, we'll throw it up in the mill and we'll get our lumber out of it from there. Behind me here we have a lot of redwood logs. They're cut up to size to be able to mill up a bunch of fence boards. So a lot of trees here have been affected by the fires and they get brought back to us here, processed and separated, brought over here and cut them up and get them to size to whatever lumber that we're gonna need for the project we have going on. So it's a really cool way to be able to, get every inch of this tree. We'll be able to get lumber out of it and take all of our extra scrap pieces that go out and they get grinded, chipped into mulch. It's a really efficient way to use the whole tree and keep everything green and recycle everything. So that's pretty cool that we're able to do that. Right here we have our fence boards cut up. They're cut to 1x6 dimensions. Pretty cool. They're able to be used right away. Redwood's a green lumber, so once they jump off of the sawmill right there, we're able to take them out the next day and be able to take them to a job site and build something out of it.